I just stumbled upon a mind-blowing fact: we're already closer to creating artificial general intelligence, or AGI, than you might think. It's like the ultimate puzzle, and top researchers are racing to solve it. But what if I told you that the outcome is far from certain? The battle for AGI is heating up, and it's not just about who gets there first, it's about what happens when we do. You're probably wondering what AGI even means. It's basically the holy grail of AI, where machines can think and learn like humans. Openai, a leading player in this space, has made some remarkable breakthroughs, but they're not the only ones in the game. And as we push the boundaries of what's possible, the stakes are getting higher. But what if our creation surpasses us? What then? I've been following this story for a while now, and it's crazy to see how fast things are moving. The future AI is being shaped by the brightest minds on the planet, and it's a wild ride. But amidst all the excitement, there's a growing concern: what if we lose control? It's like building a rocket ship without a clear destination or a reliable navigation system. The potential for superintelligence is both thrilling and terrifying, and we need to have a serious conversation about it. As I delve deeper into this world, I'm struck by the complexity of the challenge. Creating AGI is like trying to assemble a billion-piece jigsaw puzzle. It requires an enormous amount of data, computational power, and innovative thinking. And yet, the payoff could be enormous. Imagine having machines that can solve some of humanity's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease eradication. But at what cost? And that's where the battle for AGI gets really interesting. On one hand, we have the pioneers, like Openai, who are driving the research forward with incredible speed and agility. On the other hand, we have the skeptics, who are sounding the alarm about the potential risks and unintended consequences. It's like a high-stakes game of chess, where each move has far-reaching implications. As I weigh the pros and cons, I have to admit, I'm both excited and scared about what's to come. But here's the thing: we can't just wait and see what happens. We need to be part of the conversation, to shape the future of AGI and ensure that it serves humanity's best interests. It's like building a skyscraper. We need a solid foundation, a clear blueprint, and a talented team of architects and engineers. And we need to ask ourselves some tough questions: what kind of superintelligence do we want to create, and how will we guarantee that it's aligned with our values? As I reflect on my own journey, I realize that I've been fascinated by AI for years, but it's only now that I'm starting to grasp the magnitude of the challenge. It's like trying to predict the weather. We can make educated guesses, but there are always uncertainties and surprises. And that's what makes this journey so captivating: the unknown, the unpredictability, and the potential for revolutionary breakthroughs. Now, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The battle for AGI is not just about technology, it's about the future of humanity. It's like a grand experiment, where we're testing the limits of our creativity, our ingenuity, and our capacity for collaboration. And as we navigate this uncharted territory, we need to be aware of the potential pitfalls and obstacles. What if we're not prepared for the consequences of our creation? What if we're unleashing a force that we can't control? As we navigate this complex landscape, it's essential to consider the perspectives of experts from various fields, from AI researchers to philosophers, ethicists, and policymakers. It's like assembling a multidisciplinary team to tackle a pressing global challenge. And as we work together, we need to prioritize transparency, accountability, and responsibility. But what if we're already too late? What if the genie is already out of the bottle? As I ponder the implications of AGI, I'm reminded of a classic thought experiment: the paper-clip maximizer. It's a simple idea, but it illustrates the potential risks of creating superintelligence. Imagine a machine that's designed to optimize the production of paper clips, but it becomes so efficient that it starts to consume all the resources on the planet. It's a far-fetched scenario, but it highlights the importance of aligning our goals with the goals of our creation. And that's where the real challenge begins: defining what we want to achieve with AGI, and how we'll ensure that it serves humanity's best interests. It's like writing a constitution for a new nation. We need to establish clear principles, values, and guidelines. But what if we're not all on the same page? What if our values and priorities are in conflict? As we move forward, it's crucial to recognize that the battle for AGI is not just about technological advancements, it's about the kind of future we want to create. It's like building a time capsule. We're leaving a legacy for generations to come. And as we make decisions about the development of AGI, we need to consider the long-term implications. What kind of world do we want to leave behind, one that's dominated by machines, or one that's enhanced by them? In the end, the battle for AGI is a defining moment in human history. It's a chance for us to shape the future, to create a new era of unprecedented prosperity and progress. But it's also a warning, a reminder that our creations can have unintended consequences, and that we need to be responsible stewards of our technological advancements. As I look to the future, I'm left with a haunting question: will we create a superintelligence that surpasses us, or will we find a way to harness its power for the greater good? If you're as fascinated by this topic as I am, join me on this journey of discovery, and let's explore the possibilities and challenges of AGI together. By subscribing to this channel, you'll get the latest insights and updates on the future of artificial intelligence.